All we can do is build this engine and hope for the best. So this is part one of fully building a head for the Rabbit. What is up, you guys? Today we are going to take this all apart and get ready to pull the head, and then we're going to build it. I don't have all the right tools to build it, but maybe we can make something for the valve springs. That's the one tool I don't have, is the valve spring compressor. But let's try and get this apart right now. Okay, we are this far. Now let's go ahead and work on removing the intake. And then, I don't know if I'm gonna leave the turbo stuff on there, but let's just go ahead and disconnect that line and that line real quick. Okay, now let's disconnect that throttle cable right there. Well, bam, just like that. Not sure what this is about. See that smoke coming out of there? Coming out on this side too. Huh, interesting. That's gotta go. Okie dokie. See what else we got here. I think I'm gonna remove this, just see if there's any more damage on the other side of that. Something's making noise. What the heck is going on? Okay, next step, taking off the alternator belt and getting to the timing belt. Well, getting to this wheel right here, and then take that off, and then put this in top dead center, and then take the timing belt off. We are going to do that right now. The best way to find top dead center is you're going to run up your notch to the arrow on here, and then distributor. That should line up with that notch. Okay, so as you can see, this engine's got liquids coming out of places where liquid should not be coming out of. I'm thinking either probably like valve seals, or maybe the blocks ruined, like the piston rings are fried. You can see that there was smoke coming out of places where it probably should not be coming out of. So next we are going to pull this head off right here and see if there's any noticeable damage. Okay, now before it gets too dark outside, I am going to remove the head from the block. Gonna start from the inside and work your way out. Don't forget to drain your fluids as well. Okay, the head is off, and that is the color of my oil. Even as I was draining. It smells more like gasoline than oil. Well, I can't tell you guys exactly what happened right now, but we can make assumptions. It's either one of three things. Either the head gasket, which seemed like a possibility, but the head gasket's got like 50 miles on it, if that. Highly doubtful. Second thing could be the valve seals. And then the third thing could be the piston rings could be bad. All we can do is build this engine and hope for the best. So this is part one of fully building a head for the Rabbit. If you want to see this thing get completed, be sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like, and I will see you guys in the next one.